In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy layer styles in Affinity Photo. If you've ever dialed in a great look using shadows, glows, or other layer effects and want that exact treatment on another layer, this is the quickest and most reliable way to do it, and it takes just a couple of seconds. Start by looking at your Layers panel and identify the layer that already has layer effects applied. You'll know you've got the right one when you see a small FX badge next to the layer. That badge is your handle for copying. If you don't see the badge, that layer simply doesn't have effects yet, so pick another layer that does. Click to select that source layer so you're focused on the right style. Take a moment to make sure the effects on this layer are exactly what you want to reuse. Things like the drop shadow distance, the glow color, or the bevel strength. The copy you're about to make will bring over all those settings in one go. Now comes the key move. On Windows, hold the Alt key. On a Mac, hold the Option key. While holding that key, click directly on the FX icon in the Layers panel and drag it onto the layer you want to style. Aim for the layer's name in the list to ensure you're dropping it in the right place, then release your mouse. The moment you let go, the layer effects are copied over instantly. No menus, no dialogues, no guesswork. If you drop it on the wrong layer, don't worry. Just undo and try again. You can repeat this Alt or Option drag onto as many layers as you like, one after another, to build consistency across your document very quickly. This method works beautifully on text layers, standard image layers, and vector shape layers, so you can keep your typography, photos, and icons visually aligned with a single, unified style. A couple of helpful checks. After you copy, glance at the target layer to confirm you see the FX badge there as well. Expanding the layer will reveal the list of individual effects that came over, which is great if you want to fine-tune something on the copy without changing the original. Because this is non-destructive, your pixel content stays untouched. The effects simply sit on top, ready to be adjusted or toggled at any time. That's all there is to it. Select the styled layer, find the FX icon, hold Alt or Option, drag onto the target layer, and release to paste. It's fast, precise, and keeps your design consistent in a fraction of the time.